Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. This is another really exciting parkrun touring video because we are out here on the beautiful Kangaroo Island. So we got here yesterday, staying at an Airbnb, and we came over primarily for the parkrun. But we're over here with some friends as well, so we see the sights, make a really good sort of long weekend of it. So yeah, basically the course here is an out and back, so one of my favourites. It starts at the tidal pool, which is just back that way. I'm about to do a little bit of a warm-up, but yeah, it's been absolutely amazing here. I've never been to Kangaroo Island myself before, so sort of running gives you sort of the perfect excuse to come out here. So basically getting across here, if you're not familiar, you've got to take, it's around about an hour on the ferry. So you drive on ferry, put your car on, come over, and then you've got your car over here, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's quite a big island, so it does take a while to get places, so your car is pretty beneficial. So yeah, we saw the sights yesterday, and then today basically we've got a sort of like a little winery thing planned as well, an Italian dinner a little bit later tonight. So I'm filming some snippets and whatnot, and I'm thinking about making another video to go with this, just, you know, to show you, like, even while we're here for the run and whatnot, there are a lot of good things to see. There's you know, running gives you a good excuse to get out and see some of the sights. So anyway, yeah, we're here at Kangaroo Island, getting ready for the parkrun. It's going to be super exciting. I'm going to go do a warm-up, and I'll see you guys all at the start line.
Between me and you, there's an ocean between our love. If I'm telling the truth, what am I to sail away? 'Cause I don't know where you've been lately, and times have changed, the world's gone crazy. Yeah, I got a secret, I hope you can keep it. You know that I mean this. make you believe.
Good job, guys. Good job, team. Thank you.
And I don't know where you've been lately, and times have changed, the world's gone crazy. Yeah, I got a secret, I hope you can keep it. You know that I mean this.
Alright guys, there you have it. That is what Kangaroo Island Parkrun has to offer. Beautiful course, really, actually surprisingly a warm morning. Thought it was going to be a lot cooler. So yeah, we're basically just back at our Airbnb now, so we're going to head out to Emu Bay, the lavender farm for brekkie. Got a bit of a day planned. It's going to be sort of real exciting. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you haven't been over to Kangaroo Island, hopefully this video gives you sort of one good reason to do it. Is the parkrun's great, locals are great. Yeah, and I'm just stoked. The weather this time of year just seems to be perfect for it. So yeah, anyway guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for checking in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a look at all my other parkrun videos that I've got on the channel. Anyway, that's it guys. I will see you all in the next video.